Hi, this is one more classic Sudoku. This is handcrafted and this puzzle is test solved by Kota Morinishi. His timing is 1 minute and 56 seconds. So let's give it a try. Scan the puzzle and simply you will get your first clue in this box number 5. Okay. Now after this first clue we have to do some pencil markings. So let's go with that. Just check this 6 and this 6. Because of these two 6 in the box number 8 we can simply block these cells for 6. So either of these cells will be 6. And let's continue with the same 6. If any of these cells will be 6 and this is 6, we can block these cells for 6, and because of this 6 we can block this. So now this is 6. Now continue with the 6. Check the box number 1. The only possible place for 6 is this. Now let's try to finish all the 6 first. Check this box number 3. We cannot place 6 in these cells because of these two 6. We can block these cells and this cell also. So the only possible place for 6 is this. Okay. Now again check the box first and see these 4s. Because of these two 4s we can block these cells for 4, and because of this 4 we can block this. So this is 4. Now check this box number 4. Because of this 5 and this 3 we can block these cells for 5 and 3, and here we will get the 3-5 pair. And if this is 3-5 we can block these cells for 3 and 5, and again we got the 3-5 pair. 3-5. Now check this box number 6. Only 3 numbers are left, that is 2, 4 and 6, and we can eliminate 4 and 6 from this cell. So this must be 2, and here we cannot write 6. So this is 6 and this is 4. Alright, let's try to find out some more clues. See the box number 3. Here we can do the pen. Because of these two 7s, we can do the pencil marking for 7. Either of these two cells will be 7. Now check the box number 4. Only 3 cells are left. 1, 7 and 9. And because of this 7 and 9 we can eliminate 7 and 9 from this cell. So this is 1. Now let's continue with the 1 and check in the box 5 where we can place 1. So here again in these two cells we got the 7-9 pair, and in the row 5th also, row 5th only 2 numbers are left, 7-9 and 7-9. Here also we got 7-9 pair. 7, 6, 5. Okay, now we are not getting any clues. Now this is tough. One, two, three. Okay, we got it. Sharp deduction. Check this column 8. In the column 8, only 4 numbers are left. That is 3, 5, 7 and 8. And in this cell, we can eliminate 3, 5 and 7 from this cell. And we'll place 8. Now, if this is 8, let's continue with the 8. And in the box number 3, because of these two 8, we can do the pencil marking for 8 in either of these two cells. Now again, check the box first. Because of these two 8s, we can block these cells for 8. So 8 will come in either of these two cells. And if 8 is in these two cells, we can eliminate 8 from here. So this must be 8. Okay. We got some lead. Again in row 7, only 3 numbers are left. That is 2, 4 and 9. So in this cell, we can eliminate 2 and 4. So this is 9. Now 2 and 4. So because of this 4, we can eliminate 4 from this cell. So this is 4 and 2. Now let's continue with the 2. Because of these 2s, we can block these cells for 2. And the only possible place for 2 is this. So this must be 2. Okay. Now check the first row. First row, only 3 numbers are left. 2, 4 and 8. So because of these 2 and 4, we can eliminate 2 and 4 from this cell. And this must be 8. Now we'll get the 2, 4 pair in these two cells. 2, 4. Now let's continue with the 8 in the 7th box. We'll write 8 here. Now let's continue with the classic rules. Now I think it's easy now. This must be 5. Now eliminate 5 from this cell. This is 3, 5. Now here we'll get 1, 3 pair. 1, 3, 1, 3 and this side 2 and 9. So 9 we can eliminate from this cell because of this 9. So here it is 9, 2. Now in this row number 3, only 3 numbers are left. That is 1, 3 and 7. 1 we cannot write in this cell, 1 we cannot write in this cell. So this is 1. Now if this is 1, we can eliminate 1 from this. This is 3. Now Only few numbers are left in the third box. That is 1, 3, 5 and 7. 1, 3, 5 and 7. Okay. No lead in this box. Alright. Check this box 3. 1 we cannot write in these two cells. So 1 will come in any of these two cells. So from this we can eliminate 1 from this box, 1 from this cell. And because of this one, we cannot write 1 in this cell. So this is 1. Now only one number is left in the last column. That is 4. So this is 4. Now if this is 4, we can eliminate 4 from this. So this is 4, 2. And in the last box, only 3 numbers are left, 9, 5 and 3. And because of this 5, we cannot write 5 in these two cells. So this is 5, 9 and 3. Now check this middle column. 9 we cannot place in this cell. Because of this 9, 9 we cannot place in this cell. 9 we cannot place in this cell. So the only possible place for 9 is this. And because of this 3, we can block these cells for 3, and because of this 3, we can block this. So now this must be 3, and if this is 3, this is 1. Now this is 1, 3, 7, 5, 5, 9. Now if this is 9, we can eliminate 9 from these cells. So this must be 9. Now only one number is left, that is 3. Now in the 8th box, only 3 numbers are left, that is 2, 6 and 7. And because of this 6, we cannot write 6 here. So this must be 2 or 7. 2, 6, 7 and 2, 6, 7. We got the 2, 6, 7 triplet in this. Okay, check this 5 and this 5. We can block these cells for 5. So this is 5. Now because these 4s, we can block these cells for 4. And because of this 4, we can block this. So the only possible place for 4 is this. Now this row 6, only 2 numbers are left, 3 and 6. So we can eliminate 5 from this cell. This must be 3 and 6. Now this is 6, and if this is 3, this must be 5. Box 5, only 3 numbers are left, 2, 3 and 7. So because of this and this 3, we cannot write 3 in these two cells. So this is 3. Now 2 and 7 are left. And because of this 9, we can eliminate 9 from this cell. So this is 9 and 7. Now 7, 2, 2, 7, 2, 7. Now puzzle is done. Thank you.